We will look at how to create a tennis ball using hair particles, so you have more details with the ball. So you can see how it looks. We'll go to File, New, General, and we'll delete this and go to Add Mesh, UV Sphere, and we are going to change the segments to 16. So you have 16 segments. We don't need this light, so we'll delete it. Go to the front view, go to the edit mode using the tab key, select the polygons, select one side of the ball. Make sure that you are in the X-ray mode, so do it again so that everything is selected. Okay, and then right click, separate selection. Get out of the edit mode, so I'll just go here, object mode, select any one side, hit the N key to get this, and we'll rotate it 90 degrees. So if you look at the wireframe, the orientation of one side is like this and the other side is like this. Now we'll select both and hit Ctrl J to combine it, so it becomes one object again. Then we'll hit the tab key, go to vertex mode, select all these vertices and right click, merge vertices by distance, and 32 vertices should be removed. If you don't get 32, that means you have selected wrong. Maybe wireframe mode is not on or something. But once you do that, you get a ball which looks like this. Now if you go to the edit mode again, go to the edge mode and then 1, 2, 3 and then Alt and click the fourth line. Alright, we'll go to edge, bevel edge. Simply click and then start beveling. Get this is the white part, so it will depend on how much you want it. So I'll just do 0.05 and then we will add one segment only. Okay, once we have done this, now we already have this selection, so we will add material to this selection. So go to material, add a new material and assign it. Now we'll go to select, invert, create a new material, change the color to greenish yellow and assign it. Select, invert. We are in edge mode, that's why. So we'll go here and then go to select, invert, and now the whole thing is selected. We'll assign it. Just make sure how it looks. Alright. Now we'll again go to select, invert. So this is selected and we are going to hit the extrude key, or you can do it here. I'll simply do E and scale. That works better for me. Okay, so you extrude it and scale it inside slightly. And then you go to modify panel and add subdivision surface, maybe 2. And you get that ball definition. Okay, you should apply this and again go to tab and select any one. We'll get out of the X-ray mode. Select any one polygon, go to select, similar by material, and then we have to increase the selection. So select more, or you can use Control plus on the numeric pad. I'll just do one. Then go to material and assign it. so you can reduce the area of the white line. Okay, so this is our ball. Now we'll add particles to it. So we'll go to particles, add new particle, make it hair. The length is 0.5, 0.05 or 0.1. Okay, then viewport display, children, interpolate, roughness, increase the threshold, increase the randomness, increase the endpoints, change these numbers and reduce the size so you get uneven numbers. Render, we are using material 2. Now what we want is, we don't want any hair in the white area, so we'll again go to tab, select any one, go to select, similar material, and add a vertex group by going to data, create a group and assign it. Now under particles, we go to vertex group, under density, select the group, and it will not add particles here. Now under rendering, render display, we will make it 200, and to see how it will look with 200, type 200 here also. So this is how the ball will look, and we can then reduce the size of the children. Say 0.5, hair length 0.07, .05. So your ball is ready. I added a plane, scaled it big, move the ball up by 1, change the rendering to cycles, added a sky texture, and you get the ball. I made some changes under shading. Go to environment, world, and increase the air, dust, ozone, sun elevation to 45, intensity to 0.5. Select this object, add a new material, add a bluish green color, so you can see how the ball looks. And that's about it. Thank you.